welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today this video will be like a vlog and a challenge in it. Since everybody voted that they liked vlogs and the challenges, so we thought of why not make a vlog and then a challenge in it.
Today we thought of coming up with a same color food challenge for like 24 hours where we'll be eating the same color food.
Yeah, and we just decided that we just picked a random color.
So it's a yellow color
that we'll be having the entire 24 hours, and we will show you guys what we have.
Yeah, like the same food, the same color drink, and everything is going to be just yellow.
Until further ado,
let's get into the video.
So guys, here we'll just make our first move of the day. That's a breakfast, and
so for the first meal we'll be eating French toast.
Yeah, and kind of making a bit more yellow, like by adding turmeric in it. And currently we have already made the French toast batter, which is quite easy, of course. Everyone might know.
Yeah, the batter is ready.
Yeah. So here is our batter ready for the French toast, and the breads are also cut. And the pan is heating, and we'll show you how it looks. So currently we are frying the French toast. Looks quite yellow. We have to add a bit of more turmeric. So we made some turmeric milk. So now
and as you can see, French toast is ready.
Yeah. This is our breakfast. So here we go. Cheers.
Things we got to eat because of yellow food.
Yeah, we're gonna gain weight, I guess. Hopefully.
Too much calories.
And then there's this haldi doodh that's
healthy.
So famous now, and that's actually the best right now during COVID times. Well, like all have been saying, you should always, add a bit turmeric and everything. So we've been planning for our lunch, and we're thinking we would either make, I guess, fried rice, which would kind of be like a chopper rice without gravy, but a bit of yellow.
I don't know, let's see, we might add something to it.
Yeah, probably
make it look yellow.
Make it look yellow. But besides that, we also plan to make some dessert.
Keep watching our entire video to see what dessert we'll be making. We are gonna try that for the first time as well, so
let's see how it goes.
The best. Hope it's a success. And for dinner, mostly we were thinking to go for Maggi since yellow.
And I guess we might be totally full at the end of the day, so Maggi would be at least okay.
Also some evening snacks will be made.
Hopefully. Yellow, we have to think about that. So we're gonna just drink the haldi doodh.
Don't like it, but
I like it.
It's nice. So the breakfast is done, and now we're gonna start with cooking something for lunch.
And we thought of making the kind of chopper rice, which won't be like a chopper rice since we are the restaurant. But we'll still just make a fried rice where we kind of make it yellow.
Yeah, something spicy, something nice. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, hopefully it tastes like chopper rice. But yeah, let's see. So for the rice, we'll be just like how we do normal fried rice. We'll be just cutting some capsicum. We'll be adding spring onion. We'll be adding carrot. We'll be adding cabbage and a little bit of sausages because we always like it.
Chicken.
Yeah, we always like
mandatory and everything.
So we're almost done cutting the veggies, and now Marita is cutting some sausages. We'll be just frying sausages. After we're done frying the sausages, we'll be frying some eggs. So guys, we fried sausages and eggs, and now we'll be frying some veggies. Just fried the carrot. Now we'll be adding some cabbage. We'll be doing it one by one so that it's not fried a lot.
You just fry it for like 2 minutes.
Since we fried all the veggies and sausage and egg, we'll be now adding all of it at once together, just like this, and then adding some sauce and then the rice, and we will show you the yellow rice it's gonna look. So can you guys see?
This is the sausages and eggs.
So we kind of had to change the vessel because it wasn't that big for the rice to be added. So we're adding now the ginger paste, the sauces, We are done preparing the chopper fried rice, which is yellow in color, and
This is how it looks like. So we'll eat it quickly right now and we'll let you all know how it tastes.
and we'll show you.
So we are just done preparing the rice and
And here it is. We'll tell you how this tastes. I bet this tastes really good because
we cook good.
so
With some mango juice.
we're having the juice with the rice. With the
Yellow
rice.
spoon, yellow rice.
It's yummy like always.
It's really nice. Perfect.
So right now, since we don't have anything much to do, we just got done with our lunch. We thought of making a dessert for tonight.
So we thought of
and-
making mango pudding.
Yeah, we thought of making some mango pudding since it's yellow and it's
is
the
summer.
season also.
Yeah.
It's the summer season. So we'll show you how we do it. It's quite easy.
Yeah, it's really easy. It can get done like within an hour and
Yeah.
then you just have to
Freeze it.
refrigerate it.
And we'll show you what we do.
So Fiona has already cut the mangoes and now she'll be scooping the pulp out.
This is a trick that I've seen on Instagram, and since I used it, it was too fun. Look at this.
It's really easy and you know you can just get the pulp out within few seconds.
Can you see?
Everything comes out easily. Now we'll be adding some milk, almost a glass or maybe half. We added 1/4 cup of milk and now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar.
So we're adding just 2 pinches of salt, just to balance the sweetness.
So now we're gonna heat the mango smoothie. So we'll be adding 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Mix. Now we're gonna mix it.
Make a paste out of it. We're done with the cornstarch and milk paste that we've done and kept aside. Now we are just boiling.
The mango slurry.
Now, since this is coming to boil, we'll be adding the slurry.
Mix it well before
And
pouring.
Just have to wait. Just have to keep mixing so there are no lumps. This will start getting thicker after some time when you boil. Make sure you're just keeping on mixing. So
And lastly, we are gonna squeeze some lemon into it to balance the taste.
we'll be just greasing the whole bowl with the oil. Now we'll be adding it in this bowl and then keeping it for room temperature just to become cool, and then freezing it in the freezer for an hour or so. So if you can see the bubbles, just tap it off and the bubbles will be gone. And then you can freeze it for an hour.
Yeah, once it cools down, you can just freeze it for 2 hours.
Yeah.
And then you're ready to go. Let's see. For snack time, Fiona's mom has made amazing pakoras of potato and goli bhaje, which is a Mangalorean dish.
That's gole bhaje. It's supposed to be kind of brown, but since we had to do it yellow, we
Everything
added
is yellow,
my
yeah.
mom added a bit more besan, I guess. So that's how now it's yellow, and we're eating that for snacks.
And we also have
Some bhajia.
we also have some
Which is
bhajia
yellow
here.
as well.
Yeah. Yes, yellow food isn't that bad so far.
But you know, I wish it was raining.
Bhajia, I know.
During
Rains
rains
and bhajia is like the perfect.
combination. Oh my god. And tea, of course, which we couldn't have since it's
Yeah.
you know.
So we're just eating this for now. I guess there are not many things to drink in yellow other than mango juice,
Yeah, and
like rasna tang and all of that.
we kind of are out of that. Like,
Yeah, we don't really like
Yeah.
rasna and all so much.
but this is a potato pakoda that my mom did.
Yeah, it's really
so yummy.
crispy. Yeah.
So
See, as
yummy.
you can see, I guess we've eaten like a lot of calories for today.
Yeah, right. Otherwise, we don't. I guess we should just make every color every day. What do you think? Okay, so if you guys if you guys like this video, which is like a yellow color food for 24 hours, and if you really want us to, you know, do some more other challenges or some more other color if you want,
Like
you know,
black, you know, I don't know. We thought of doing a black,
but I don't know if we
color
get
for
it.
challenge, but
Since
it's really difficult,
since
you
everything
know.
is opening up, and if we find like more of shops that are open, and then, you know, some ingredients that we can, so we might probably do. So do let us know, comment.
So since it's a yellow color food challenge, how could we forget our favorite, that is Maggie?
And therefore we are having Maggie for dinner, because we had a lot of snacks and food the entire day. So currently we're just almost full, so we just thought of having Maggie,
We just prepared our chicken Maggie.
and we're just having that.
It's hot. So we usually like a Maggie soupy. That's the reason we did not make it dry, and it's a bit soupy.
It really feels good to have, you know, this warm soupy Maggie, and since it's chicken. For the dessert, we made mango pudding, which is yellow again, and it really tastes good. The only thing, we saw a recipe and we made it from YouTube, and the only thing was she added a bit more milk. So
Yeah, because of which it didn't really turn out to be perfect. It wasn't
Yeah.
getting frozen like.
so they had to add more of the
yeah,
cornstarch.
like we literally had to redo the whole thing again.
And
And
add
then
more
it
cornstarch,
turned out well.
and that's how it became thick. And then we again had to freeze it for another hour. So that's how now it looks really great. So check it out. We almost finished half now, and we're just finishing this off.
Hey guys, so we are finally done with the yellow food challenge for 24 hours.
And now we thought of just treating ourselves and getting a pizza. So we just got a pizza which is not yellow, of course. And
So finally we are eating something other than
yeah,
yellow.
it's like a combination pizza. I guess it's pepperoni and what is
That
this?
is Uptown special, I guess.
Yeah, so now I'll show you how we eat something which is not yellow.
So we are finally done with the 24-hour challenge video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
So if you guys want any other color food challenge that you want us to make, we would also do that.
Yeah.
And other than that, any other challenges that you want us to make, or pranks for that matter, please do comment down below and let us know.
Yeah,
And
please leave in your suggestions so we know what kind of videos you want to watch. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll be coming up with some more challenge videos for you all.
And until then, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to comment and hit on the bell icon, of course.
And it does mean a lot. Do subscribe. And until then,
Bye-bye.